Basically, I am a Malayali and my hometown is Kerala, but I was born and brought up in Maharashtra. Hello everyone, I'm back here with a new video. So I realized that in my first introduction video I did not said like where I am from and properly and which language I actually speak, all those things. So basically, I am a Malayali and my hometown is Kerala, but I was born and brought up in Maharashtra, Nagpur, so I could speak multiple languages like Hindi, Marathi. I understand Marathi. I don't speak purely, but I understand Marathi and Hindi. Obviously, I do understand and I do speak. I speak Malayalam. So these three. I also speak Bengali. I know how to I know when people speak. I can understand what they are saying. I also speak, but then I forgot. So these are the languages I speak, and obviously English. So first of all, initially when I started this video, I was confused in which language I should speak. Then I realized that since I'm doing videos related to Canada, English would be a great idea, because if I speak in Malayalam, only Malayali people could understand what I'm speaking, and if I speak in Hindi, it's not necessary that all other people who are watching me would understand. So I thought that English would be a common language, and it's understandable. So that's why I chose English. Secondly, this video is all about Frosh Kit, as I mentioned in my last video. So I won't be speaking much in this video. I'll just start showing what all things I got. Yeah, so the one thing that we get is tripod, but I'm using it right now, so maybe I'll be showing it in the end, like how it looks and all. It's very small, it's just like this much, my face size, and one towel, one mask also I used it, but maybe I can show you. Just a second. The Frosh Kit, this bottle, we got this bottle. It's very good. And so this is tripods. I don't know, this is keychain. This is a flag. I don't know, this is not I don't know what we'll do with this, but it's just to show maybe that we are in Conestoga College. We got one socks, a cap, hand gloves, goggles, a towel. It's a small one, not that big one. One diary. We also have one more diary. I'll just show that. I don't know where it is. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this one, this diary. It's a calendar kind of thing. Yeah, that's it. And one tripod that I'm using it right now. And a mask, one black mask, which I used it. I don't know where it is right now, but we've also got one mask. So these are the things that we get. Yeah, so this is the tripod that we get. It looks like this. It is a screw, you can just fix that. So this is a tripod. So it's up to you whether you need to spend or not. It's just the basic thing that we get, and I think we spend 50 CAD or something for Frosh Kit, so you can decide if you want or not. I didn't knew what all things we get. The bottle is actually good. That's all. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.